Welcome to another video. We have crossed 200 videos and we are at 201. And that means we have covered a vast amount of basic and intermediate level of lessons, and we are moving on to advanced levels gradually. Nonetheless, I try to make the lesson so simple because it should be enjoyable and effortless learning. And that is language learning. This is yet another short video, but an important video. You will learn how to say different shops in Tamil. This is very useful if you want to find a shop nearby, because when you say that in English, it can be very confusing for many. Even I find it confusing if people ask for a grocery in India, because it seems or it means different in Europe and in India. I mean the items that are sold. So here you can learn different words that are very useful. Malliga Kada. It is actually Malligai Kadai. However, colloquially it is called, or it is said, Malliga Kada. This is similar to the grocery store, a small store where you can buy the essential items. You may or may not get vegetables and fruits, but all the essentials would be available. Toothpaste, sauce, bread, pulses, rice, cereals, biscuits and butter, shampoos, all. Malliga Kada. This can be a store where you can go and pick yourselves, or just order and the salesperson gets it for you. Very useful word. In India, even in English, people use the word department store for this. Grocery is less and less used. Vegetable shop. Kaikari Kada. Kaikari means vegetables. Kaikari Kada can be a shop in a building or just one in the street side. Fruit shop. Pazhakada. This is simple. You don't have to have any explanation for this, but of course you should pronounce it right. Pazhakada. 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 I made a video already on the sound Ra in Tamil. It's a video. If you want to watch it, you can click the link on top right here. Jewelry is Nagakada. In India, especially if you are new to India, the jewelry shops are the most riveting and attractive and all glittering shops of all. Nagakada. Very small shop. So what is very small shop? It is a kind of lifesaver shop, I would say, that will sell all the very basic things in very limited quantities. No varieties as in a supermarket. And because this shop is itself around some 6 to 6 foot, a box like, the next time you are stranded somewhere, if it is too early in the morning or a Sunday and you know all the shops would be closed, or if you are on a highway driving and you want something like a paste or a brush or a sachet of a shampoo to clean your car, a comb, water bottle, matchbox, all of those things, you can ask someone, inge edavadhu petti kada irukka? Is there a petti kadai around? Petti means box, and the shop usually resembles a box. Some 40 years ago, these should have been 90% of the shops in India, I think. Pookada, that is florist. Generally, it is not the florist where you can buy the bouquets and all. Instead, the shop where you can buy the traditional flowers like jasmine or roses, etc. medical shop or a pharmacy. This is Marundu Kada. Marundu is medicine and Kada is a shop. Very useful for emergencies when you travel. And the formal word for that is Marundagam. Marundagam. And Kadavidi means the street where you find most of those shops. A commercial street with all the hustle and bustle, catering to the masses. Vidi is also street, and Kadavidi is more of a street or a market area. Alright, now let us make some simple practical phrases that you might want to know. Is there any nearby? Pakkathula edavadhu irukka? Now you can fill that dotted line with whatever you want. Pakkathula edavadhu marundu kada irukka? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Pakkathula edavadhu maliga kada irukka? Is there a grocery store nearby? Pakkathula edavadhu pazhakada irukka? Is there a fruit stall nearby? Pakkathula edavadhu petti kada irukka? Is there a petty shop nearby? I still do not know the equivalent of that in English. Pakkathula edavadhu naga kada irukka? Jewelry? And pakkathula edavadhu poo kada irukka? Is there a flower shop nearby? As I explained earlier, this is a little different from the florist you'll find in Western countries. So we call it flower shop. And before we finish, I wish you could like and subscribe the bell and also the bell icon. I know this might seem a little simple 2-minute video to you, but it's not an easy one for me to make with so little time I have. Hence, a little bit of encouragement is not really much to ask, I believe. That is all for now. We'll see you again soon.